two rising stars in the world of AI chat, but only one can be your go-to assistant. On one side, Perplexity, the answer engine everyone's talking about. On the other, DeepSeek, the fast-growing challenger turning heads. We're putting both through the ringer. Accuracy, speed, interface, extra features, cost, and more. Forget the hype. Let's see how they really work in practice. Points up for grabs in every round, so you'll know exactly who's best where it counts. And trust us, the winner may surprise you. Let's get into it. Okay, first up, let's just map out what we're comparing. We're looking at model performance, web search and knowledge, language strength, transparency and citation, privacy and trust, research or technical use, and yeah, the whole ecosystem thing. Each of these things actually makes a huge difference, so let's get into the details. Let's talk about model performance. So, Perplexity? Honestly, it's got some killer chops at the top of benchmarks, especially if you're an English speaker. It nails generation and search like 9 times out of 10. DeepSeek though, honestly impressive for Chinese and multilingual stuff. Seriously, if you're in that world, you'll see what I mean. But when you start throwing gnarly English tasks at it, Perplexity still takes the lead. So, clear win for Perplexity here. Moving on to web search and knowledge, this is kind of Perplexity's home turf. You get real-time, sourced answers, and it's super transparent, like, you literally see the receipts for every claim. DeepSeek can dig up a lot, especially in the Chinese internet, but sometimes it feels a bit slower and the results can be all over the place. Gotta hand it to Perplexity again for making it not just fast, but honestly, so much easier to trust. Now for language strength. This one's fun. Perplexity is basically world-class in English, no question. It also handles Chinese and EU languages pretty well, but you'll notice a drop-off, especially in more local or regional stuff. DeepSeek though, if you're working in Chinese, it is state-of-the-art. English is solid, even improving, but sometimes it's not as sharp in the advanced stuff. I'm gonna call this one a legit tie. Both are just playing to their strengths. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know Perplexity was actually the first AI search engine to just default to inline citations? I had no idea. It kinda changed how we expect AI responses to show their work. Let's chat transparency and citation. So Perplexity is obsessed in a good way with showing you where the info's from. You get source links, model disclaimers, all that. Very clear, very above board. DeepSeek has citation options too when you enable them, and the metadata is decent, but honestly, it's not always as relentless about showing its work. If you care about seeing receipts on every claim, Perplexity is just easier to trust. That's their win. Okay, privacy and trust, huge topic. Perplexity's got global compliance, runs on US and Europe servers, and no tracking or user profiling. It's about as chill as it gets. Now, DeepSeek is more regional. If you're in China, the data standards are strong, but there's a bit of a gray area in terms of API usage and logs. So, for anyone super concerned about privacy, Perplexity is going to make you sleep easier, no question. Technical and research use. Let's be honest, both bring something unique. Perplexity's got super detailed step-by-step answers, solid with code, math, science, all that jazz, as long as you're specific in your prompts. DeepSeek is absolutely killer for technical Chinese research and can chew through complex datasets in that language, but it'll sometimes lose the plot on tricky English technical explanations. So, this one's pretty even. It really comes down to your use case. Last but not least, ecosystem. This is where DeepSeek gets to flex. They're all about open source tons of model checkpoints, fine-tunes, even vision and code-specific models. Perplexity's catching up with API integrations, but it's still mostly its own walled garden. So hey, if you're the kind who likes to tinker and go open source, DeepSeek owns this category. Alright, let's step back for a second and look at how these two stack up across all the main categories. Perplexity's dominating on transparency, privacy, and just being straightforward. DeepSeek, when it's about language innovation and having a playground of models, they're just ahead. It's a back and forth, honestly. So, here's my take. Perplexity is seriously the winner if you want accurate, cited, English-first AI search-like. It really does what it promises. But if you're working in China or need open source models for research or coding, you're basically going to fall in love with DeepSeek. They're both all-stars for their audience. If you found this breakdown helpful, don't forget to save this for later. Who knows? You might need it for your next project.